Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. Python is highly used in data science and machine learning projects. Python is also used for system programming and web development. In this lesson, we shall be introducing two basic programs, one for reading and another for writing from and to Snowflake using Python. You can use any editor for writing the Python code. I am using here Jupyter Notebook. So you have to install Jupyter Notebook. It's free and you can download it from Jupyter's site. Once downloaded, then you need to install Snowflake connector. So the command is there on the screen, you can see. You just need to type the command and the connector will get installed. This is our first program where we are trying to read one table from Snowflake and display the data. So what we are doing here? So the program is very easy and you can easily understand the flow. So first of all, we are trying to import the Snowflake connector, and that's the library that is being used for connecting Snowflake. So for that, we are using import snowflake dot connector, and we are creating an object to connect to the particular database in the Snowflake. So for that, we are providing user ID, password, and which is the Snowflake account that we are using in this case, that we are putting there. Once this is done, then with the help of the cursor, we are executing our program. So the first thing is like we have to use the warehouse, then we have to use the database. So in our case, the warehouse is test.wh and the database is test underscore db. And we are going to read the customer table. So we are saying select start from customer and the command is getting executed. So you can see the result on the screen. As you have seen, Python is a very simple program. And even if you are not from Python background, so you can easily understand the flow. In this particular application or program that we are writing, so in this program, we are just inserting one row to the customer table. So now if suppose you go through the program, so you can easily understand the flow. Rest of the things we have already discussed. So one change is there. Now we are writing one statement to insert a row into customer table. So you can go to SQL command and insert a row. Once you insert a row, then you can even display the row whether it has been inserted, and then you can see the result in the bottom.